Aloha, this is Dylan Anderson, and this is stand up for kind of what I've been doing. Um, this is another level I'm building, but I'm also sharing these assets to Shania um, so she can put them in our level as well. Like I coded some bounce pads. Let's see here. Bloop. So I'll have Shania kind of put these in the level where she wants them with little arrows and some nice little um, oh, I can't think the effects in there. We got sounds bouncing. So she's going to be putting these in our level as well, and I have some coding for that, which is actually pretty simple. You just need like a velocity node um, or launch character. Here's our local velocity, and I made it pretty easy for Shania to change the velocity. So if she clicks on here, if you go over to the right and default launch velocity, all the way to the right, she can change that variable and get that going. I also made some other um, stuff for her to use in our level, like some falling platforms if she'd like, or stuff like that. Also, so I've been working on our inventory. Now, I use tutorials for a lot of this stuff, and the one tutorial I found at the end of it, it did not work with what I wanted to do in the game. I'm kind of disappointed. So I'm not starting all the way over, but I'm fixing some of the coding. Let's see here to actually work. With what we're trying to do. So I'm kind of starting over a little bit, not all the way. Item data. But I'm making slight changes so it's going to work, and I'm figuring out how to um how to merge our progress without messing it up. I screwed it up last time and I don't know what I did, so I'm kind of practicing with Git Bash and GitHub recently, just so I can kind of get a hang of it. This is where I kind of went wrong with the first tutorial with the sphere trace. Um, it would only let me in the other tutorial. It would only let me trace one blueprint, and I actually need multiple blueprints for everything. So I actually did another tutorial, and this is what it taught me. I also know some stuff, so I've changed it myself to make it a little better. Um, but yeah, so other than that, that's pretty much what I've been working on all week. And then we did um, the team engagement stuff. I do that twice a week, every week. Shania's been really good with planning it and stuff, so that's been really fun. But other than that, that's all I have for this week. There's a lot, a lot done. So, all right, thank you.